All right, guys, so I've been cleaning up my yard, and the plan is by the end of this week to have it completely done. But I plan on turning in all my aluminum, all the miscellaneous metals. I'm getting rid of these. They're really junk. The handles are completely messed up on them, don't they? I'm gonna save these. These I'll probably take apart and turn in. I'm keeping my copper. I'm gonna try to go ahead and sell my cord ends. The rest of my air conditioners over there, I'm gonna get rid of that out of my yard. I'm gonna stack these over here. I'm starting myself a new aluminum pile though, right over there. This barrel has to be brought over, probably over here against the fence, because it has a lot of stuff in it. I'm gonna be taking this piece off of here, and I'll be sending this sign to my very good friend John Dunn and his wife Becky. But yeah, this bucket here, I got some ballast that I want to go through, some ceiling fans in there. I have some good house wiring that I want to get out of these sleeves. I'm going to get these things out of my yard, and you just wait until Friday next week. This place is not gonna look the same. I'm going to make room for these inside of the shop so I can save them for taking them all in one trip at a time to a place in Wilmington that buys stuff like that. Yes, Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? This yard's getting cleaned up. None of what you see here will be here like it is on Friday. Your video is going to be epic. Don't miss it. Make sure you slam that subscribe button so you're notified next time I put out a video. But I got some trash. Look at this. This is trash that I'm pulling out of that area over there. Plastic, paper, just garbage. I raked up a little bit. Some plastic hoses, plastic pieces and parts, some cardboard. My trash can that needs to get stood up. All this stuff going to the trash landfill next week. These air conditioners, I'm saving them for Eric. When he comes down, this is going this week. There's a radiator back there. It's going. I'm going to tear apart some of these motors, guys, this week. And this area has come a long way since the last time we looked at it, hasn't it? Look at that, guys. Huh? What a beautiful, beautiful looking place. And now that's going to be going this week, guys. I'm going to do everything I can to scrap this out this week, get all this stainless off I can. The rest of it, I'm going to throw in my truck and get whatever I can for it. Everything must go. Yes, everything must go. So, yep, here we go. These things will be in the garage by the end of this week, in a stored area. I'm going to also have some of that done. So I got a lot to do this week, so keep watching. I'm going to try to put out a daily video of my progress of getting all this cleaned up by Friday. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, I know what's next. My wife said, you need to take your hat off, Grandpa. Your head's off of white. So I guess we better get some sun on the head. So I'll work on that this week too. Till next time. What's next? What happened to my scrapyard? What'd I tell you?